Hey guys, Shay Matthew Kinnisher here with Shay 3.0. I just took a run here in Audubon Park in New Orleans, right by the water. Beautiful place. We have Tulane University right across the street. It was my first day of coding boot camp today here at Tech Talent South in New Orleans. It was great. So we dove straight into getting on the terminal, working in the command line, hooking things up to Sublime Text, and jumping straight into some Rails apps. Push some things. Excuse me, a little out of breath, as you might understand. Push some things to GitHub and Heroku, and yeah, got into all that. So super cool. We're diving straight into second time I use the word dive. Maybe it's the water next to me, it's influencing me. Going straight into HTML and CSS, and we're gonna do a little JavaScript, Rails, and Ruby, or the core of it though. It's in a co-working space, which is right down the road from like the French Quarter, and really cool space. That's where we're doing the boot camp, in one of the classrooms in there, and we have access to it, to the space, for the whole time that we are enrolled for the 8 weeks. So we can go over there and work, stay there after the class ends, and then there's like office hours afterwards. Today I spent probably an hour and 15 minutes talking one-on-one with my teacher after the class ended, and asked him about work and jobs and money. Because besides the coding itself, the programming itself, I'm interested also in money and working to make money, doing programming. So that is that. We've got homework. Basically have to rebuild the same kind of Rails app that we built today. Did that, and yeah, still got a bit of sunlight out. It's getting pretty overcast, kind of spotty though. Might be raining soon. I'm actually going to walk right over here because I'm right in like a really beautiful spot. Yeah, so check it out. So I'm just going to turn around here so you can kind of see it. That's Tulane's buildings right across the street there. Really pretty fountain and garden around it. I'm not sure how to flip the trying to flip the video around. I don't think I've ever done that before during a video. If anybody knows how to do that, please let me know in the comments. I've done it during FaceTime, but I flipped it around during the video. So yeah, it's super pretty. I'm from Louisiana, not New Orleans, but I've been to New Orleans, a bunch of times. It's always cool to come visit. See, check that out. Yeah, you got palm trees all around, and that's actually Loyola. I don't know if you can see like the top of the tower. So you have Tulane University. It's like that gray brick, and then you have Loyola, which is another Catholic university, literally next door. So I don't know if I'm pointing it straight at the sky or what, but two really good schools right there, and like I said, right across the street from Audubon Park, which is great. I'm staying with a girl and her boyfriend. I'm subleasing a place for a couple months here in New Orleans while I do the boot camp, and she just graduated from Tulane with her MPH, Masters of Public Health, and her boyfriend is in a PhD program in anthropology at Tulane, and they both do research in Latin America. So I've chatted with them about that. Really, really nice people. And I mention it because their graduation was this weekend. So it's May 22nd, something like that. End of the spring semester. So she just graduated with her master's. And her mom came down from out of state. And her dad and them other family members to come celebrate with her. So they've been busy. And I've been here busy, but it's super cool. I thought about it because I just saw a bunch of girls on the big, like, brick fence thing in front of Tulane, looking like they were taking pictures in dresses and stuff. So they probably just graduated, I'm guessing. Anyway, so I'm having a fun time in New Orleans. If you have any questions about boot camps or thoughts about them, I'm obviously just starting, but really like Tech Talent South so far. I looked at some of the other more famous, if you will, more well-known boot camps like Dev Mountain and App Academy and Coding Dojo and all those that you see ads for on YouTube and Facebook. And I'm absolutely positive that those are really good programs. I went with Tech Talent South mainly because it's in New Orleans. There's 10 different locations all around the South. Obviously Tech Talent South, but also like the Southeast. I think there's one like in Phoenix out there. There's a couple in Texas, like San Antonio and Dallas, I think. See the big stately oaks behind me with moss everywhere. Beautiful. There's statues all over the place in here. And like I said, I don't mean to harp on it, but it's like the foliage is awesome. So you have these big oak trees with moss, then you have palm trees next to them, then you have cypress trees like on the water. And I see there's a big magnolia tree, right? Magnolia trees are famous in the South, I guess, in particular. And then all kinds of homes right around here, which are not cheap. I promise you they're not cheap. Millions and millions. $1 million for those houses. Yeah, Tech Talent South has locations all over the South. There's 10 of them. Cool school. So there's like a whole network of teachers and alumni and all that. They've been really great and just helping me get set up, and they're really nice people. And I can tell it's going to be like quality learning. We're going to be, pretty much like full stack web developers by the end of the program. Yeah, so I think that's about it. I'm going to head back to my apartment I'm staying at right off of Magazine Street, if anyone's familiar with New Orleans. Pretty famous street, really cool spot, lots of hopping places, bars and restaurants and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please leave thoughts, questions, or concerns in the comments. And if you like this video, click like. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me in my journey into the world of software and programming. I say something different every time. So far, I'm really kind of feeling out like the intros and outros. Try to make them pretty informal, nonchalant, but still kind of cool. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Shay 3.0 signing out. Peace.